Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you want to speak English fluently and confidently, you need to build good habits. Fluency is not about learning thousands of grammar rules. It's about practicing smartly every single day. Today's video, I'm going to share 6 powerful habits that can completely change the way you speak English. If you follow them, you will notice your English becoming more fluent, smoothly, and confident. So let's get into the video. Habit number one. Habit number one is think in English. Yes, you heard it right. Most learners make these mistakes. They think in their native language first and then translate it in English. That slows you down. For example, you think मुझे पानी चाहिए, then translate it in English, I want water. This takes time. If you want to eat something, if you see something, and if you want to express something, then think directly in English. This trains your brain. This process will train your brain to think directly in English. For example, when you see a moving car, so just say the car is moving fast. When you see a baby, so just say the baby is sleeping peacefully. And if you look in the mirror, then just say I'm looking confident today. These small thoughts in English will reprogram to think will reprogram your brain to think directly in English, and it trains your brain to think directly in English to make your English more confident and more fluent. So always think directly in English. Don't translate it in your native language, because when you translate it in your native language, then this step slows your brain, and you will not be able to speak directly in English. So, my dear friends, if you want to speak English fluently and confidently, and if you want to achieve your fluency in English language, so always think directly in English. Habit number 2 is speak daily, even to yourself. Actually, fluency comes from practice, not from silence. If you don't have a partner, talk to yourself in English. For example, describe your day in English, like I am cooking rice, I am going to the market now, and I need to finish my homework. This may feel strange at first, but trust me, it's one of the most effective way for fluency. So always talk to yourself in English, and speak to yourself in English. If you don't have a partner, if you cannot join any English class, or if you don't have a time for opening the English applications like Duolingo, and there are different apps which helps in your English fluency. So dear friends, if you don't have a time, so talk to yourself in English. This is one of the best effective way for fluency. Habit number 3 is learn phrases, not just words. Fluent speakers don't use isolated words. They always use natural expressions. For example, instead of learning the word angry only, learn a phrase like I'm really upset about this. And instead of learning the word happy, make a sentence like that made my day. These small phrases will make your sound more natural and less robotic. So always learn a full phrase, not just only words and not just only vocabulary, because if you learn a full phrase, then it sounds natural, and you will be able to speak confidently and fluently to speak English. So dear friends, always try to learn full phrases, not only words. This is very effective for achieving your fluency target, for achieving your fluency goals in English. If you learn the full phrases, the complete phrases, not only words. So always try to learn phrases, not only words. Habit number 4 is shadow native speakers. Yes, Shadowing means listening and repeating, listening and repeating the same speed and copying the same accent, tone, and rhythm. For example, listen to a short clip from a YouTube and from a podcast or from a movie, and then repeat instantly after the same tone, speed, and rhythm. This is actually called shadowing technique. This repeats like an echo. For example, if a fluent and a native speaker instantly say, "How are you doing today?" So you should instantly repeat, "How are you doing today?" This improves your accent, your listening, and your fluency at the same time. Actually, shadowing technique is one of the best technique to improve your English communications skills and to build confidence and to build fluency. So, shadowing technique is the best way for English fluency. Habit number 5 is set a daily English time. Yes, consistency. Uh, English fluency grows with consistency. Choose 15 to 30 minutes every day for English. In this 15 to 30 minutes, you will notice that how your English is being improving day by day. You can't imagine that how your English language journey is growing faster. In these 15 to 30 minutes daily, you should write your thoughts in English, read an English article, watch a short English movie, and also you can practice English loudly, to speak English loudly. Actually, these small steps which you should follow for English daily 15 to 30 minutes, this improves your English fastly to grow. So you should must set a daily timetable for English learning. So don't miss these steps, because consistency is must important for to learn English and for to build confidence and to build fluency in English. So you should always set a specific time, a particular time for speaking and learning English. Habit number 6 is record yourself speaking. Yes, this step and this habit is very powerful. Take a phone and choose a topic and talk about 1 to 2 minutes in that topic. You will hear the real progress every day. If you record yourself and if you speak every day for 1 to 2 minutes on any specific topic, then it improves your fluency, and you will notice mistakes in grammar or vocabulary. You will where you pause too much, which sentence sounds good, and where you need improvement. um, if you take this process for a month, you will hear and you will see a great progress. So friends, record yourself speaking is very important to keep your fluency, to build your confidence, and to speak naturally in English. So the last habit, which is record yourself for English fluency, is very important and very beneficial for the English fluency. So friends, these are my 6 English fluency habits. If you if you follow if you follow these 6 English fluency habits, you will definitely achieve your English fluency goal, and you will be able to speak English fluently, confidently, and naturally. Actually, fluency is not about perfection, it's about practicing. It's about confidence and speak English fluently is a dream of every person. So must try these 6 simple habits and also follow them in your daily routine. If you found these tips helpful, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.